I literally have to crawl under my table to get over here. It's like 6 or 7 in the morning and I'm so energetic right now. It's annoying. Anyways, hi loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, I am Tashay and it's so nice to internet meet you guys. You should subscribe to my channel because it would really make me so happy and smile so much.
You so fucking precious when you smile.
Honestly guys, I'm not really excited about filming this video. I'm happy to be filming a video for you guys, but I just really deepened the fact that I'm going to film an eyebrow tutorial, knowing that some days my eyebrows look like check marks. So some days I go hours trying to perfect my brow. Not an hour, not 30 minutes, hours. Yeah, I'm really not confident about this video, but you know what, we're gonna dive in and I'm gonna be optimistic and let's just pray that my brows look good today and hope for the sake of this video that is helpful for you guys. These are how my natural brows look, and I usually always start from scratch, start from this and try to work to this. Wait, am I doing it right? I don't know. Okay, anyways, so yeah, this is my makeup bag and I am going to what is wrong with me right now? Okay, so this is my makeup bag and everything I need for my brows is in here. I will show you guys what I use as I'm doing this video, well, as I'm doing my brows. Also, I'm just gonna do one brow, which I feel like makes sense so you guys can see the difference between me not doing my brows and me doing my brows and what they look like before and after. If I was to do both of my brows in this video would be 2 to 3 hours long. All right, enough of my attempt to be relatable. I am going to get right into this eyebrow tutorial. I mean, this flopping eyebrow tutorial. I'm gonna use my glasses. These glasses are gonna help me see better because I'm really blind without my glasses. So the first thing I do is usually prime my brows, but since I'm not going to keep them on all day, I'm not gonna keep my brows on all day, like I'm able to peel them off or something. Next thing I usually do after priming my eyebrows is comb them with a spoolie into the direction, the shape, the arch that I want it to be in. And I really feel like this helps when it comes to the outlining part. Like, it just makes it so much easier. If you're starting with, brows like this and your brows aren't arched, then yeah. So after I comb my brows, I just go in and start outlining them. I'm using this dark brown eye and lip liner from a beauty supply. I bought this for $1. I've been using this to do my brows from the time I started till now, and it works amazing. And if you're on a budget and you don't want to spend like $25 on brow dip or whatever you're trying to get for your eyebrows, that is, a good product. Go ahead to your local beauty supply and get you one of these for literally $1. They work amazing and they're cheap. What is better than that? They have these in a lot of different colors, so if you're trying to do some exotic look, some, I don't know, match your hair type thing, or whatever you're trying to go for, they have a lot of colors. So I'm gonna start outlining my brow into the shape that I want it to be in. Worked my way up and went down. It's kind of like a roller coaster. You're going up and then it comes down. Then I'm doing the top the same way, work from the bottom. And work my way up. Now, I know my brows look real thick, but when you use concealer, you will be able to clean up any mess that you made. Whatever you don't like, you can always go in and clean it up. I'm using this Pro concealer. It is in the color medium beige. Lighter is always better than dark when it comes to doing your concealer. Get a concealer that is lighter, a little bit lighter than your skin tone, just so your eyebrows can really pop. I really don't know how to describe brushes, but I'm just using this brush with this, like, it's small, it has a small little tip right there, and all you do is you can just dip that in the concealer and you want out like your brows. So I feel like using brushes with, you know, small little tips like this is easier, just because it's easier to manage when you have a small tip brush like this. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in and conceal under the brow. And I'm not going to conceal the top of my brow just yet. I want to blend this in really fast. You want to blend that concealer very nice and slow. Take your time. I'm sure, as you guys can see, I'm not really taking my time with this, but since I've been doing it for a while, I know how to go ahead and fix that up. Okay, so after that, I'm gonna take this eye and lip liner and blend in my well, not blend in my brows, but fill in my brows. I just like to go in and basically fix up any mistakes I did by just doing the same techniques, which is just concealing. I just had a feeling this wasn't gonna be a good brow day.
Five hours later.
Okay guys, this is probably as fast as it's gonna get, because I don't want to keep trying to fix this brow knowing I'm about to wipe this brow in literally a split second. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that it was helpful in some way, shape, or form. Even though this was a total flop, practice makes perfect, okay? And if you don't get it the first time or a year later like me, it's okay. You're gonna be fine. We're gonna get this, and we're gonna get our brows on fleek together. Like, why am I saying fleek? Like, what? Who? What? Fleek? Fleek? I'm on fleek. I'm on fleek. What? We are going to get the brows we desire one day, but it takes practice. Don't give up on trying to get your eyebrows how you want them to be. But until then, I will see you guys in my next video, which is going to be very tiring because it's going to be a butt workout routine. So stay tuned if you want to know how to grow your glutes and to get thick. I'm just super excited to finally be filming my butt workout routine, just because it's highly requested and so many people have been asking me to do it for so long, and I'm finally doing it, and I'm just so excited to share with you guys my exercises that I do. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell just so you'll know when I post that video. And if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.